Hey, welcome to video 3 of the Beginner Guitar Quick Start series. In this lesson, we're going to cover the numbering systems for the guitar, the numbering systems for your fingers, the numbering system for the frets of the guitar, and the numbering system for the strings of the guitar. This may seem really simple to you, but it's really important because if you know these numbering systems like the back of your hand, it's going to make all the future lessons that you go through on the guitar a lot faster. Let's start with the numbering system for the fingers for your fretting hand. This is really simple, but it's really important. Your first finger is going to be a 1, second finger is going to be a 2, third finger is going to be 3, and your fourth finger is going to be a 4. That may seem really simple to you, but when you start reading chord diagrams, scale diagrams, tabs, and sheet music, you're going to want to know which finger to use right away. Now we need to go over the numbering system used for the strings of the guitar, and this is a little bit counterintuitive. Most people think that your fattest string, the one closest to you, is the first string of the guitar, when that's exactly the opposite. The thinnest string, the one farthest away from you, down to the floor, is the first string. Second string, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And that's not really hard. You're just going to want to be aware of that, mill that around in your brain, that this is the first string, the thinnest string is the first string, and the thickest string is the sixth string. The last numbering system that we need to go over is for the frets of the guitar. And the frets are just these little metal strips that are laid in the fretboard right here. And it's really easy. It's just the first fret, second fret, third, fourth, fifth, and all the way up the guitar. When somebody tells you to put your finger on a fret, what you're going to do, if they say the first fret, first string with your first finger, you're going to go to that first fret and put your finger right behind that fret. If they told you to go to the fifth fret on the first string with your first finger, you would count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the fifth fret of the first string with your first finger. And this is something that you're going to need to test yourself on and be able to kind of go real quickly. If somebody says put your second finger on the third fret of the sixth string, you need to be able to do that. Second finger, third fret of the sixth string. And so take some time, test yourself, quiz yourself, look at some tabs, look at some chord diagrams, and get comfortable with the numbering systems for your fingers, the strings of the guitar, and the frets. Just being aware of the numbering systems that we talked about are going to make all the future lessons in the Beginner Quick Start series and all the other guitar lessons you take a lot faster in the future. In the next lesson, we're going to be going over the parts of the guitar, so get ready for that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or email me, Nate@guitarsystem.com. See ya.